Hello kids, let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. This is circle shape, circle. This is square shape, square. This is right arrow, arrow shape. This is pentagon shape, pentagon. This is triangle shape, triangle. This is star shape, star. Circle, square, right arrow, pentagon, triangle, star. Let's color it. This is light green color. We are filling light green color in circle shape. This is red color. We are filling red color in square shape. This is yellow color. We are filling yellow color in right arrow shape. This is purple color. We are filling purple color in pentagon shape. This is pink color. We are filling pink color in triangle shape. This is sky blue color. Sky blue color. We are filling sky blue color in star shape. Dear kids, let's rewind once again. This is circle, square, right arrow, pentagon, triangle, star shape. Thank you kids for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye. See you in next video.